If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, we're just 6 months away from the iPhone 17 launch, and guess what? A fresh hands-on video leak just dropped, showing off dummy units for the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro. This leak comes from iDevice Help, via Mijinbu Official, and while these are just dummy models, they're reportedly based on internal documents detailing the phone's designs and dimensions. So, what's changing? Let's break it down. The standard iPhone 17 isn't shaking things up too much. It looks almost identical to the iPhone 16, same button layout, same camera module, same overall design. The real upgrades are happening under the hood, with a new A19 chip boosting performance, a C1 modem that could help with battery life, and some minor camera improvements. Thickness-wise, it's still around 0.3 inches, so don't expect any major shifts in form factor. Now, here's the wild one. Apple is killing the Plus model and replacing it with the iPhone 17 Air. This is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, just 0.22 inches thick. That's crazy thin, almost to the point where the physical buttons are nearly flush with the phone's body. And get this, the camera module is completely redesigned, featuring a single lens setup that gives off major Google Pixel vibes. But here's where things get interesting, and maybe controversial. Because the 17 Air is so thin, MagSafe might be out of the picture. Wireless charging is still supported, but no magnets means no snapping accessories to the back. It's rocking the same A19 chip and C1 modem as the regular iPhone 17, so performance should be solid. But the real question is, will that ultra-thin design come at the cost of battery life? If you're all about the Pro lineup, Apple's got some big, literally, changes coming. The camera module on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max is massive, taking up nearly the entire back of the phone. Apple is reportedly working on some new camera tech, which would explain the size increase, but on the bright side, it might also help the phone sit more evenly on a flat surface. Thickness-wise, the Pro models are actually getting slightly thicker at 0.34 inches. Normally, that would be a downside, but it likely means a larger battery, so we might be looking at longer battery life. And of course, both models are packing the A19 Pro chip and C1 modem, promising even better performance and connectivity. Apple is clearly shaking things up with the iPhone 17 lineup. The base model keeps it safe, the Air goes ultra-thin, and the Pro models double down on cameras and battery. But will these changes pay off? The iPhone 17 Air could be a game changer, or it might spark backlash if the thinness leads to battery or durability issues. And is Apple making the Pro models too bulky in the name of better cameras? So, what do you think? Are these changes exciting, or is Apple just switching things up for the sake of it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.